Hey friends, if you wish to make YouTube videos load faster, improve YouTube buffering performance and speed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, first of all, before anything else, just change the DNS. So, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection and select properties. Okay. Now double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select this box for use the following DNS server addresses. Type it as the preferred one as 8.8.8.8 and the alternate one as 8.8.4.4 and hit enter and then click on OK. Now this is Google's DNS and it will pick up the best possible route for YouTube because nothing would be better than it. Okay, the next one is to change the video quality. So here's the thing, if your internet connection speed is limited, then you can reduce the video quality. I'll tell you how to do that. Let us say that we pick up some trending video. Okay, I will what do we say, mute it, and then I'll click on settings, and then I will select this option here. Wait, let the ad go through. Select the option for quality and I will reduce it to 1 lower, and then I will check how it helps. Okay, and lastly I can consider increasing the internet speed. So go to fast.com and check if the internet speed is good enough. Usually a speed of 10 or 15 Mbps seems sufficient, but when you are streaming videos on YouTube, then it might not be sufficient. So you will have to increase it. Try to bring your computer closer to the router or use a 5 GHz band. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.